This is a big A. Now let's write small a. This is a small a. First, trace the letter on the screen with your fingers. Start from the middle and go all the way around. Next, go up and then down. Now, let's try it on paper with a pencil. Start from the middle and go all the way around. Next, go up and then down. Middle, around, up and then down. Now check if you did it right. Good work! Now we know how to say B sound. Now we will write the letter. Trace the letter with me. Down the bat, up and around the ball. Bravo! Now we will write the letter on paper with a pencil. Down the bat, up and around the ball. Now check if you did right. Brilliant! Now we know how to say K sound. Now we will write the letter. Curl around the caterpillar. Amazing! Now we will write the letter on paper with a pencil. Curl around the caterpillar. Now check if you did it right. Good job!
Like, share and subscribe.